Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning into another video. My name is Adarsh Raman, and in this video I'm going to be helping you guys make your Dream 11 fantasy team for game number 2 between England and Australia, the second T20I, which is all scheduled, all set to happen today evening, which is a Sunday, the 6th of September, Indian time 6:45 p.m. at the Ageas Bowl in Southampton. Before we start the video, I just have one thing to say. If you want real-time live fantasy updates, you have to check out Crickcracker's Telegram page and you will have everything there. It's been a great first T20I, a nail-biting finish in the last over, looking for so much more in the second T20I. So without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. It was a crackerjack of a contest, like I said earlier, the first T20I. Moving into the second one, the venue is the same as the Ageas Bowl in Southampton. If we have a look at the average first inning score at the Ageas Bowl in the last 4 T20Is played, it's around 173. The teams chasing have won 2 and lost 2, so it's quite evenly balanced out. The wicket's going to be good for batting. It's going to be a crackerjack of a contest again. The weather, yes, it's a little bit here or there. There is no rain expected, but we never know with England when it rains, when it doesn't. So let's all keep our fingers crossed and hope that there's no rain. The forecast says that there is none, but we never know with England. So let's quickly start making our team, and let's start by talking about our wicket keepers. We have only one, and that's a no-brainer. It's Jos Buttler. Jos Buttler in the previous game proved why he is one of the best in white ball cricket, and the quick fire 44 in the last game puts him on this team at the top. So he's going to be my one and only wicket keeper. Move on and let's talk about the batsmen of my team. I have in this team picked 4 batsmen, starting with Aaron Finch, David Warner, Eoin Morgan and David Malan. All superstars in their own right. I'm going to quickly start with Aaron Finch and David Warner, the Aussie openers. What a fantastic start that they gave in that run chase in the first T20I. Aaron Finch scored a 46, unfortunately couldn't get his half century there. But David Warner, on the other hand, got to his half century, 58. What a fantastic knock both these guys play. But unfortunately for Australia, it wasn't enough. Speaking about David Malan and Eoin Morgan, David Malan, what a fantastic 66 in the first T20I. England were kind of in a spot of bother. They were not getting the runs, but he took England to that respectable total of over 160 and helped England defend that also. So he is a fantastic, an integral member of England's T20I squad. If you actually have a look at it, in the 14 T20I innings that he has played, 8 of them have been 50 plus scores. So he is a consistent performer. He's going to get you the points. And last but not least, our England captain. He's had a fantastic year in terms of T20I cricket. In 7 innings, 231 runs. He's been winning so many matches as captain as well. So Eoin Morgan, Captain Cool, Captain Fantastic, he's also right there. He's also going to get you the points. So that's it in terms of the batsmen. Let's quickly move on and speak about all-rounders. And in this game, I have only one all-rounder, and that is Glenn Maxwell. Glenn Maxwell, he's known for his big hitting prowess, but in the previous game got out cheaply. Took a gamble against Adil Rashid, it didn't pay off. But with the ball, he was very good, picked up a couple of wickets, and he seemed in good nick. But Glenn Maxwell is a proper T20 specialist, and you don't not want to have him in your team. Let's finally speak about our bowlers. In this game, I have picked 5 bowlers. It's a huge number, I know, but it's 5 bowlers, and they're all superstars in their own right. Ashton Agar had a decent outing with ball in hand, was kind of economical, but with bat, he was kind of sloppy. But Ashton Agar is one such cricketer who you don't want to underestimate. Speaking of Kane Richardson, in the last game, he had a fantastic outing as well. He completely assessed the pitch, very quickly adapted to it. If you have a look at it, he bowled all the slower ones wherever necessary. So Kane Richardson is definitely going to get you the points even in this game. Moving on to the English boys, Jofra Archer here, a decent outing in the last game, a couple of wickets. Went away for a few runs though, but it's okay. He was, in terms of T20I cricket, it still is economical. So Jofra Archer is a superstar, he's going to get you the points. Speaking of Mark Wood, what speed was he bowling? Consistently above 90 miles an hour, he was brilliant. And he also picked up the crucial wicket of Alex Carey when England needed it most. So Mark Wood also makes the cut in this team. And finally, let's speak about Adil Rashid, the leggy. Adil Rashid has been fantastic for England in white ball cricket, and the last game was no different. 2 for 29 in 4 overs, got the wicket, the most important wicket of Maxwell. Like I said previously, it was a gamble, but it paid off for England. You can't find a team with more superstars. This is a star-studded lineup. All these players are going to get you the maximum points and are going to help you win big. So this is my Dream 11 fantasy team. Before I quickly forget, my captain and vice captain for this team are Aaron Finch as captain and David Malana as vice captain. But if you want other options, I can definitely provide you with some. You can have a look at David Warner. You can also consider the likes of a Jofra Archer or a Mark Wood, who can be exceptional with the ball in hand. So this completes my Dream 11 fantasy team for game number 2, the T20I number 2 between England and Australia. I hope you like this team. I hope my pointers have helped you make this team a much better one for you. And also, if you like the video, hit the like button. In the comments, tell me your Dream 11 team and tell me where I could have made a few changes as well. And before I forget, one more time, if you want real-time live fantasy updates, the place that you go to is Cricket Tracker's Telegram page, and you'll find everything there. And if you already haven't done it, then hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. And I'll meet you guys with more such videos very shortly.